Hello guys, this is Muhammad Abubakar. Welcome to my YouTube channel HDAMSTech. Today I am going to show you how to configure scan to email. Open the Google Chrome and type the IP address of the printer. Click sign in. Enter administrator and password. If you don't have password, sign in directly. And scan digital send and email setup wizard. Continue. You can see the message also here. Then you can continue. Add SMTP server. Enter here IP address of the server, or else you can give the server name and click next. Port number will be 25 and the server does not require authentication. You can keep as it is and click next. And these are the settings. You can use user editable because the user can edit messages and subject and from, because whenever he want to send, it should be available in this one, users address, from to whom also. Click next. And these are the settings. Also this one keep as it is. Default color preference automatically, and quality medium, and DPI default resolution you can select and click next and finish. Go to email setup. You can see here the server name is added, and you can change the some settings here. User can type address, and also this one user editable, and you can give any default email ID, and also you can set the default name of the printer. Any whenever you want to scan, it will be available, and the user editable, all the settings. And file settings, default file name you can change to scan or anything scanned, and also this one keep it as it is, user editable. You can see update preview, the name will be updated here. And also see you can keep this one user editable, and this one color also is automatically detect and apply all the settings, it will be applied. These are the simple steps to configure scan to email. I hope you like this video. If you like my video, kindly please like, share, comment and subscribe, and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.